Welcome to Nerd Club. Okay, so by now you should have already completed the task from the original lesson, which was to use a resistor, build a circuit um, in your simulation, and test the relationship. And you should have already drawn your graph at this point. Okay, and hopefully now you see that the voltage is directly proportional to the current and the resistance of the the resistance of the resistor turns out to be the slope of the line, okay, or the gradient of the line. So what I want you to do now is this, okay, if you come back over to your simulation again, and you click on this little advanced button here, and you can click this little option down here to add real bulbs. Okay, so it'll give you a real bulb to put into the circuit. So what I want you to do is I basically want you to repeat the exact same procedure that you just did, but I want you to swap out the resistor for the real bulb, and I want you to again run the full set of voltages. So go from 0 all the way up to 120 and take about 6, 8, maybe 10 data points on this one, because it will take a few. Don't forget when you're connecting your real bulb in here, you got to make sure to connect it. One wire goes to the bottom, the other one goes to the side. Other than that, you're going to short circuit the whole thing. Okay, so this is your challenge if you choose to accept it. Please make sure you draw a graph of voltage versus current for the real bulb. And I'll give you a little hint on this one, okay? Ohm's law states that voltage is directly proportional to the current, or the voltage divided by the current for a resistor is a constant. But there's one stipulation with this. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I want you to find out, okay? So run this test, okay? Close the switch, see what happens to the voltage and the current. What kind of a pattern are you going to get in your graph for this? And what kind of a conclusion can you come to based on that pattern? Good luck.